Good morning, students. Today we'll start new topic, burning of magnesium. How it will affect and whatever is change, we can say it physical or chemical change. Okay, so we'll start now. Magnesium is a silvery white metal. It becomes dull due to a coating of dust or a layer of oxide on it. Okay, it is a white, silvery white metal, or that layer of dust is called oxide on it. Okay, so a small thin strips of magnesium is taken and cleaned with sandpaper. It is held with a pair of tongs and brought near the tip of a candle flame. If we take one thin strip of magnesium after cleaning it with sandpaper, so when we bring it nearby the candle flame, it burns with a dazzling white light. Dazzling white light means चमकदार एकदम white light में ये जलेगी and changes to a powdery ash like substance. और किस में चेंज हो जाएगी? जैसे ashes कैसी होती है, ब्लैक कलर की ज़्यादातर या फिर ग्रे, बट इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू powdery ash like white color. Okay, so the ash looks completely different from the silvery white metal, or it will be very different from that original product. In the above reaction, magnesium reacts with oxygen to the air to form a new substance that is called magnesium oxide. The dust we have said previously. Okay, so that is magnesium oxide. The chemical reaction can be represented by the equation. So this change is chemical reaction. Magnesium, the symbol we represent Mg plus oxygen O2. When it reacts, it will convert or it will make new substance MgO, that is magnesium oxide. The dazzling white light emitted by the burning of magnesium is harmful for our eyes. Okay, so that burning of magnesium, when the dazzling white light is emitted, निकलती है जो, so that is very harmful for our eyes. So we should wear special glasses while performing the experiment. जब भी हमें ये experiment करना तो we have to use special glasses for our eyes. Children as well as adults are advised not to look directly at the light. Okay, if the ash formed in dissolve in water, another chemical reaction takes place. If we dissolve that ashes after burning of magnesium, if we dissolve it with water, that another chemical reaction will happen. What is that? When magnesium oxide plus water, it will form new substance that is called magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so here magnesium hydroxide is another new substance form which is different from both magnesium oxide and magnesium. Now new chemical reaction happen, new chemical change will come, and the new product is very different from the original one, magnesium and magnesium oxide also. Okay, understand? The aqueous solution can be tested with blue and red litmus paper. It turns red litmus blue, showing that the new substance magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. If we use litmus paper with this solution, that new product, it turns red litmus to blue. So it is showing that it is basic in nature. Understand? Now, formation of carbon dioxide gas and test for the gas. A spoonful vinegar is taken in a beaker and a small amount of baking soda is added to it. Okay, in this reaction, it is here in the beaker. We have to take vinegar plus baking soda in a beaker. Okay, and very small amount of baking soda. A reaction takes place instantly and a gas escapes with a hissing sound. So, after adding the baking soda, that new gas will form there and hissing sound will come out from the beaker. The chemical reaction that takes place can be represented by the following equation. So, by this equation, the chemical reaction will takes place. So what will be the reaction now? Vinegar plus baking soda, a small amount of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is called baking soda, and vinegar, that is acetic acid, which is uses in your kitchen. Okay, so carbon dioxide is passed into freshly prepared lime water. Lime water turns milky. This another chemical reaction which can be represented by the equation. Then after this, when vinegar and baking soda that takes place in new equation, the other substance is found and carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide, if we passes it freshly in lime water जो freshly prepare किया गया उससे हम इसको पास करेंगे, then lime water जो चूने का पानी है that turns into milky. Okay, this is another chemical reaction which can be represented by this equation. So what will be the equation when we pass the carbon dioxide in freshly prepared lime water? Carbon dioxide plus lime water, that formula of lime water is CaOH whole twice. Okay, calcium hydroxide, we can say it. After this reaction, what the new product will found, that is calcium carbonate plus water. Okay, CaCO3 is a calcium carbonate. So in this above reaction, okay, now see this in the beaker, vinegar plus baking soda, the carbon dioxide form when we add baking soda in it, and that we passing it into lime water, then lime water is turning into Milky Way. Okay, so the reaction is in the test for कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. ये जो रिएक्शन हमने की है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के गैस के लिए की है कि जो रिएक्शन में जो गैस निकलती है दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और नॉट. द न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म in the above reaction is calcium carbonate. Okay, now chemical reactions always produce new substance. Therefore these changes are very useful in our daily lives. Okay, because of they produce new substance, that's why it is very useful for our daily lives. How? In medicines, plastics, detergents, etc. are produced as a result of chain of simple or complex chemical reaction. Okay, in every area, if we see the new product, it is very useful for our daily life. So neutralization of an acid with a base for extraction of metal from their ores are also chemical reaction in which salt and water or the metals are formed or obtained respectively. Okay, like in neutralization of an acid with a base or extraction of metal from their ores जो मिक्स होता है किसी चीज़ का मिक्सचर, उसमें से मेटल्स को अलग करना. लाइक गोल्ड इज नॉट फाउंड इन प्योर फॉर्म. ओके, but it will found in ores, so they purify it and then take out the metal of gold. So also chemical reaction they produce new substances. Okay, one of the interesting reaction taking place in atmosphere is the breakdown of ozone into oxygen. One of the interesting reaction, what happened in it? In atmosphere, they break down of ozone into oxygen. Okay, the ozone layer present in the atmosphere, everyone knows that, acts as a protective shield against the harmful ultraviolet radiation. You are aware about it, okay? So which comes from the sun, ultraviolet radiation which is come from the sun. So this is protective shield for us. It is ozone layer is present in atmosphere, okay? So ozone absorbs this radiation and breaks down into oxygen, a new substance. When ozone absorb radiation, and this radiation it break down into oxygen, so this is also provide us oxygen, and that is new substance. Okay, understand? Now therefore a chemical reaction takes place during the change. इस चेंज में केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है. What is that? The ozone layer thus acts as a natural shield to all the life form on the earth. So this ozone layer is act for as a natural shield for all forms. जितने भी लाइफ के फॉर्म्स है, चाहे वो पेड़ पौधे हैं या फिर एनिमल्स हैं, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जितने भी हैं अर्थ के ऊपर, सब के लिए दैट इज अ नेचुरल शील्ड. The chemical reaction is formed like this. Ozone, the formula of ozone is O3. Ultraviolet radiate होती है and it convert into oxygen. Understand? Now the characteristics of a chemical changes. We have studied about physical changes characteristics. Now the characteristics of chemical changes. What are the main properties? Like, first of all, chemical reaction takes place between two or more substance. ओके, दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस के में ही केमिकल रिएक्शन हो पाती है. नंबर 2, न्यू सब्सटेंसेस विद डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज आर फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर द चेंज. चेंज के बाद, इस चेंज के बाद डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज वाले नए सब्सटेंस फॉर्म होते हैं. इट इज़ अ परमानेंट चेंज एंड कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स बाय सिंपल फिजिकल मेथड्स. ओके, ये परमानेंट चेंज हो जाता है. दैट इज केमिकल चेंज इज अ परमानेंट चेंज एंड इट विल नॉट रिवर्स. नंबर 4, अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज ईदर अब्जॉर्ब और इवॉल्व ड्यूरिंग अ केमिकल चेंज. या तो इस रिएक्शन में एब्जॉर्ब होती है लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट या फिर इवॉल्व होती है. ओके, सो these are the characteristics of chemical and physical change. Now next topic is rusting of iron. We will study about it in next topic. Okay, so till then you study well, watch this video, read your chapter also, and this check your knowledge question, do by yourself, search from the book and do it. Okay, so all God bless you everyone. Thank you very much.